So you can see that they have all the different brand total faucets and shower fittings. It's made in Japan. So like an example of a total faucet here, it costs 18,800. Another total shower set, that's 13,850. Then a simple total faucet here, that's 2,500. The shower sliding rail, that's 4,200. Then you got a total controller, 14,500. So the shower head, a simple one, is 3,500. But with the set, that's 29,800. They also have all other totals like this one, total faucet cold water, 28,500. Shower robe holder, 9,850. Because it's from Total and it's made of solid stainless steel. The towel bar here is from Total, 2,800. Double tower bar, Total brand, 3,800. Toilet holder, 2,250. That the towel holder there, 6,800. Robe holder, 4,800. So you can see all the different faucets and shower fittings from Total here in Cebu Bionic Hardware. Now this is the shower fittings from Total with the shower head, that's 11,900. The combination basin mixer, which is 9,800. A simple Total basin, that one 9,500. This is for the kitchen, Total 11,500. So we'll be looking at their